just cooked Chinese style rice. These are basically with boiled chicken. So I boiled chicken first in salt. So not much ingredient. There is this is a boiled chicken. I cut it in small pieces. So this all chicken. So same salt and same water I use it, and 1 small cup of rice. So this is a green. This is red paper. This is green paper, yellow, red, and pink all comes in one bag. So I use this little bit, and green onion, little bit garlic, and the salt. So it's already ready. So it's I did not make video from starting because most of the time I don't make this kind of rice, but this is more like a only in salt, no spices. So this is already ready.